Home Remedies presents.
Only 2% know the true impact of baking soda. This trick saved me $1,000. Why didn't I know sooner? What if I told you this $1 box can replace 90% of your medicine cabinet? The FDA hates this. Baking soda, scientifically known as sodium bicarbonate, is far more than just an ingredient for baking cookies or deodorizing refrigerators. This inexpensive and versatile compound has a wide range of health benefits and household applications that many people don't realize. From soothing heartburn to supporting kidney health, enhancing exercise recovery, and even playing a potential role in cancer research, baking soda is a true powerhouse. Hey friends, from which city and country are you watching my videos from? Let me know in the comments. What is baking soda? Baking soda is a naturally occurring mineral found in deposits around the world, including locations such as California, Colorado, Kenya, and Mexico. It is an alkaline substance with a pH of approximately 9, making it highly effective at neutralizing acids in the body and around the home. It is important to distinguish between baking soda and baking powder. While baking soda is pure sodium bicarbonate, baking powder contains additional ingredients such as acid salts, making them different in function and application. Health benefits and how to use baking soda. Number 1. Heartburn and indigestion relief. That burning sensation after a big meal can be incredibly uncomfortable. Since baking soda is alkaline, it can help neutralize stomach acid, offering fast relief. Many commercial antacids contain sodium bicarbonate as their active ingredient. How to use? Mix half teaspoon of baking soda in 2 cups of water. Sip slowly about an hour after eating to reduce discomfort. Number 2. Oral health and canker sores. Baking soda possesses antibacterial properties that combat harmful bacteria including Streptococcus mutans, which causes tooth decay. It also helps freshen breath and whiten teeth. Additionally, baking soda can relieve canker sores and mouth ulcers by neutralizing acids and reducing irritation. How to use? Mix quarter teaspoon of baking soda and 1 by 8 teaspoon of salt in a cup of warm water for a gentle yet effective mouth rinse. For canker sores, create a paste of baking soda and water and apply it directly to the sore. Rinse your mouth with the solution 3 times a day for faster healing. Number 3. Skincare and bug bites. Baking soda can help soothe itchy skin and mild irritations caused by insect bites, as its alkaline nature neutralizes acids present in venom. Additionally, it works as a gentle exfoliant for rough, dry skin. How to use? Mix baking soda with water to form a paste and apply it to irritated areas. For exfoliation, gently massage the paste onto rough skin before rinsing. Number 4. Fungal infections. Baking soda exhibits antifungal properties that can help combat various fungal infections, including those affecting the skin and nails. How to use? Create a paste with baking soda and water, apply to affected areas, and leave for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing. Number 5. Joint pain and inflammation, arthritis. A 2018 study suggested that baking soda might contribute to an anti inflammatory environment in the body, helping individuals with arthritis manage joint pain. How to use? Mix half teaspoon of baking soda in a glass of water and drink it once daily, preferably after a meal. Important. Consult a healthcare provider before using this method, especially if you have high blood pressure or heart-related issues. Hey friends, comment soda if you have ever used baking soda for health. Number 6. Supporting kidney health. Chronic kidney disease can impair essential functions such as acid removal from the body. A clinical study found that individuals who consumed sodium bicarbonate experienced a 36% lower risk of kidney disease progression over 2 years. How to use? Speak with your doctor before using baking soda as a kidney supporting supplement. For individuals with metabolic acidosis, sodium bicarbonate supplementation may help buffer acids in the body. Number 7. Urinary tract infection (UTI) relief. Women are more likely to experience UTIs characterized by painful urination and frequent urges to urinate. A 2017 study showed that baking soda might help alkalize acidic urine, alleviating UTI symptoms. How to use? If recommended by a doctor, baking soda can be taken orally or support UTI recovery in cases of acidic urine. Number 8. Exercise performance and recovery. During intense exercise, lactic acid builds up in muscles, leading to fatigue. Baking soda may help neutralize this acid and improve endurance. How to use? Some athletes use bicarbonate loading by consuming baking soda before exercise to enhance high intensity performance. For post-exercise recovery, add half cup of baking soda to a warm bath to reduce soreness. Number 9. Potential role in cancer research. While still in the research phase, scientists have discovered that baking soda might help adjust the pH of acidic tumors without affecting healthy tissues. This could inhibit metastasis in certain cancers such as breast cancer. Note: baking soda is not a cancer cure, but ongoing studies suggest it may have potential in complementary treatments. Safety and dosage guidelines. Although baking soda is natural and beneficial, excessive consumption can be harmful. Its high sodium content, 1259 mg per teaspoon, means that individuals with heart conditions, high blood pressure, or kidney disease should use it cautiously. Recommended dosage limits. Adults under 60, no more than 3.5 teaspoons per day. Adults over 60, limit intake to 1.5 teaspoons daily. Avoid prolonged use. Do not take the maximum dose for more than 2 weeks. Always dissolve baking soda completely in water before consumption. Sip slowly, do not gulp it down. Avoid taking baking soda on a full stomach or within 2 hours of other medications. Side effects of excessive consumption. Taking too much baking soda can lead to nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, and in rare cases, seizures or heart complications. Who should avoid baking soda? Pregnant or breastfeeding women, unless advised by a doctor. Children under 6 years old, individuals on sodium restricted diets. Final thoughts. From soothing indigestion and improving oral health to supporting kidney function and reducing muscle soreness, baking soda is an incredibly versatile remedy. For just $1 or less per box, this natural compound can provide numerous benefits for both health and home care. Would you try any of these baking soda remedies? Let me know your thoughts.
If you liked the video, hit that like button to give it more value and share it on your social networks to let others benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.